3, 2, 1. Now what I want to do, show you some features of Cubase that don't often get talked about too often. Let's choose something. I think I'll work with a beat this time, so let's have a look. Okay, so Command D, that's a straight duplicate of that audio event. Let's colour it. So far so normal. What we can do, we can apply individual processing to the audio, and it plays within the audio file, taking the load off the system. So let's look at these. These are two identical audio events. I've just duplicated it. Listen. Now in Pro Tools, this is a good feature, Audio Suite Tools. Now what we can do from the audio menu, or if you right click from your mouse, if you've got it set up like this, you can add plugin effects or straight processes. Now this time I'm going to just add reverb. Let's think this CMT is pretty good, and you can preview it, you can tweak it, use the actual presets if you wish. You can tweak it, got more or less options if you want. You can cancel it if you don't want to. Preview it. So let's preview. Don't really like that one. Let's have a look at Smoky Alto. That looks quite interesting, I suppose. Okay, process it, watch the waveform. It's going to ask if I want a new version because I am creating a new audio version. Renders it. And therefore I don't have to have a reverb onto the actual whole track. Now I'm not saying that's fantastically sounding, but it is fantastically useful. Another thing that you can do is using the range tool, select portions of the audio, select a process, whether it's a built-in one or from a plugin, or this one I'm going to do a reverse. Do you see that? Let's have a look. Change the tool back, select them both. Press P to select the whole event. Press 1 to restart from the beginning. Should have a nice intro to that weird echo. Okay, so select the range tool. Now you can also process and add layer upon layer of process to individual audio events as well. So this one, let's reverse that one because you can see and immediately hear it. That's useful in itself. Other things that you can do, which you find very useful when you are quickly editing audio, is quick fade ins. Now it's doing both of them because I've got both selected. Want to do one, just select one, fade in, easy. You can see the audio actually is smaller, the actual overview. Volume, click gain change, there we go, fade in. Now this is why I believe this is comparable to Pro Tools, and I'm a big Pro Tools user. Reshape the audio size. You don't need no smart tool for this. This is able to do it by itself. Now I was saying that you can stack up processes as well. Select the actual audio event and you can go to the audio menu, offline, process history. Now in that audio event I've only done a reverse. Now you can replace it, modify it. So I could, oh, it's not letting me do that one, but I can replace it if I wish. So I can replace that reverse with something else. I'm not going to do that. Or indeed, you could remove it. Now I'm going to remove it, and you watch these two go. There you go. Done. Let's try this one. This one's more complicated. Offline process history. This has got the EMT and a reverse. I want rid of the echo, the EMT. So remove, re-renders. You should still keep a reverse in there though. There's the reverse. Let's listen. Now that's very powerful stuff. So we can have some good fun using audio manipulation using the built-in tools of Cubase. Let's do it like this. Press 1, restart. Okay, let's get the range tool. Let's do something else wacky in the middle there. I want to use let's have a look. Sound tools, Devil Lock Deluxe. Let's really crunch it up. Maybe not too much. Don't want it to distort too much. Let's preview. Yeah, that sounds big. Rendered. Change the tool. Select both. Press 1. If you like that sort of thing, go into your audio menu again, and then, oops, just clicked off it, bounce the selection. There you go. So where Logic has got bounce in place, that is the bounce selection. And you can repeat as often as you like. So you can create some really quite unique events, and there's your original audio. That we started with. So even if you process beyond the point of your original audio sample, you can still go back to it because it remains in your pool. This should be a copy. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, that's the second one. I do remember that my first one was from the Audio Media Bay. So we start from that one and end up with this one. And if you look, the load on the Mac is 0. No load. So I just wanted to document those quite useful features. They are in Pro Tools, to some extent they are in Logic as well. So there you go. Thank you.